We're getting our first look at internal playbooks used by Trump University. A federal judge released nearly 400 pages of them, plus other evidence in a class action suit. Former students claim they were tricked into buying expensive real estate investment seminars sponsored by Donald Trump, which they say yielded little to no results. Jan Crawford looks at some of the revealing sales tactics in those Trump University manuals. Jan, good morning.
Well, good morning, Charlie. So Trump's lawyers argued that these playbooks contain trade secrets, and they fought to keep them under seal. But the judge disagreed. He said there was no compelling reason to keep these documents away from the public.
Judge has been very unfair, has not done a good job. He's been a very bad judge.
Most defendants shy away from criticizing judges presiding over their cases, but not Donald Trump. Last week, in another tirade, the Republican presidential candidate called federal judge Gonzalo Curiel a hater and even brought up his ethnicity.
The judge, who happens to be, we believe, Mexican, which is great. I think that's fine.
In ordering the 2009 and 2010 playbooks released, Judge Curiel didn't avoid Trump's personal attacks, noting the billionaire placed the integrity of these court proceedings at issue. Potential students were invited to free workshops where they were offered additional courses, one package costing almost $35,000. To those worried about the costs, salesmen were told to say, most students who are invited into this program use established lines of credit to handle tuition. Former student Gary Smith told CBS's Juliana Goldman he spent thousands on Trump University.
They said to call the credit card companies and make a request and, try not to take no as the answer.
Before closing in 2010, Trump University promised to teach students the real estate tycoon's investment techniques. The manuals gave Trump University employees tips on the psychology of the sale, noting that clients must apply and be accepted to our program. Those with incomes more than $90,000 a year and net worths over $200,000 were prime targets.
That's what it's all about, success. It's going to happen to you.
According to the Washington Post, which sued to release the documents, Trump University's former president testified Trump was protective of his brand, personally signing off on Trump University marketing and promo videos.
I think that one of the things that his opponents, and in particular the Hillary Clinton campaign, have tried to tar him with is that he is sort of an untrustworthy businessman type. This is a sales technique he used, and he was effective at it.
Now, the Trump camp has insisted that complaints about the university came from just a small number of former students. But New York Attorney General Eric Schneiderman, a Democrat, says otherwise, and he is suing Trump University. He told CBS this morning, the playbooks tell us what our investigation uncovered and what we alleged in our lawsuit. Trump University was a fraud that harmed thousands of individuals. Nora.
All right, Jan, thank you so much.